Bright white, clean start, every line set apart. Nothing more, nothing less, simple form, no excess. Stack it up, fold it right, left to right, all in sight. Upper space, lower line, every inch by design. Hidden doors, quiet space, everything is in its place. Open flow, easy move, built to fit, built to groove. No delay, keep it tight, morning through to late night. Clean and light, steady tone, feels complete on its own. Less you add, more it stays. Clean design in simple ways, hold it now, keep it true. That's what good design will do. Soft and bright, nothing loud, that's what sets the space apart.